Vladimir Putin could be toppled by a secret plot by his own inner circle, a CIA insider has claimed. Former Moscow station chief Daniel Hoffman claimed Mr. Putin's comrades would look to oust him if Russia's invasion of Ukraine fails. Speaking to the Daily Beast, Hoffman said, "These guys that are going to do it are going to be so secret about it so that Putin doesn't find them and kill them first. It'll happen all of a sudden. And he'll be dead," said Hoffman. Speculation around the despot's health continues, with various reports claiming the Russian leader is suffering a variety of illnesses, including blood cancer and Parkinson's. Putin has been seen in the past with his legs covered with a thick blanket at a parade and appeared to shake uncontrollably during a meeting with Belarusian dictator Alexander Lukashenko. But Hoffman believes there are three key figures to keep a watchful eye on should the Russian president be replaced. They are Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu, who has played a crucial role during Russia's war in Ukraine, Nikolai Patrushev, the chief of Putin's Security Council, and Alexander Bortnikov, the director of Russia's secretive intelligence agency, the FSB. Putin himself came to power after the rule of Boris Yeltsin, who was considered a weak leader who made concessions to the West. The First Chechen War that Russia lost was the reason for bringing an unknown FSB agent to the throne of Russia by the security services. Now Putin himself is stuck with his failed intervention in Ukraine, and the greatest danger to him is the close circle of people around him. These are basically billionaires like Putin himself, who made money by stealing Russian oil and gas companies, and they are now most affected by sanctions. If their agony, in which they are separated from their yachts and mistresses, continues, then they themselves will tell Putin, "Boy, enough of playing the president, it's time for another kid." Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.